Yes people, how's it going, and welcome back to another video. It is just another day and just another exhaust job. I'm back at my favorite place, R-Tec Auto Design. You guys know that I spend a lot of time here, and I'm back here for my 6th exhaust. Yep, you heard me correct, 6th exhaust. I don't know what's wrong with me, and I know my dad's probably watching this video thinking this stupid boy spending all this money on the sound of a car makes no sense. However, I'm here for 2 very good reasons. So basically, I feel like the design of my previous back box was kind of not the best when it came to closing the valve. I think one of the valves might have been rattling at the time, so I came here and they did some work on it, and it didn't really solve the problem. So when the valve's open, it sounds amazing, straight through, it's really loud, exactly how I want it. When the valve's closed and I'm driving like on just like normal driving, not on the motorway or anything, there's like kind of like a buzzing noise throughout all of the gears. That was quite stressful, so I've brought it back here. They're gonna kind of do rework on the valve system, but then the second issue was that I don't feel like the back box had an even flow. So what I mean by that was that, like, if I cold started the car, for example, you'd see all the gases coming out of one side of the exhaust, which was like the passenger side or something, and I even mounted a GoPro on the back of my bumper just to see what the flames were like, and I remember I had a 15-second flame, which was ASBO. I'm gonna insert that right here. Yeah, the issue with that flame situation was that it's only coming out of one side, as you guys can see, and the whole point of that was that I feel like it wasn't giving even flow. So they're gonna redo the back box completely, they're gonna redo the valve system as well, redo the pipe works and stuff. So technically I'm gonna have a brand new back box, so that's why I'm saying it's my 6th exhaust. So to walk you through all of the exhausts that I've had since I've had the car. When I got the car, number one, it was stock X pipe but had a Chinese back box at the back. I think it was similar to the Toyo Sports one. Which sounded quite nice. It had a deeper tone, it was a little bit louder than stock, but yeah, you know, I switched it up straight away. So then exhaust number 2 was that I got it decatted, so I had primary cats out and secondary cats out.
Jesus Christ, oh my god, oh Jesus Christ!
And that was loud enough as well. Then exhaust number 3 is when I came to R-Tec and had the valve, the back box made over here. Then exhaust number 4 was I bought a Toyo Sports straight X pipe, which had no cats, no resonators, no secondary cats, none of that stuff. Exhaust number 5 was I came here a few weeks ago to have another valve installed, and some of the pipes redone a little bit, which kind of didn't work. That rattle's not done it for me, not gonna lie. I can still hear it. It sounds honestly quite similar to how the rattle sounded previously. And then exhaust number 6 is going to be this new back box here. So that is a walkthrough of all of the exhausts. But let me just flip the camera around just so you guys can see the car at the moment, because it is looking amazing. I got it tinted on Friday, well, which was a few days ago, and I cleaned it yesterday, and whew, my baby's looking gorgeous, very nice. So yeah, I think with the design, probably might have to change the tips, because the way my tip design is at the moment is kind of twin tips but exits from one pipe, so probably gonna have single tips as well. So I'll probably go larger and make them stick out literally about 2mm more, which should be alright as well. But what do you guys think about the tints? Personally, I'm a little bit torn. I do think it looks really good, but also looks a little bit drug dealer spec, so I'm thinking to potentially go a little bit lighter in the front, because I also got pulled over the other day, literally the next day after I got them, and I never ever get pulled over. So yeah, but the car's looking amazing, just waiting for it to go inside the garage now, and then I'll update you guys once I am finito. Here we go, the car's about to go inside the workshop. I would say cold start, but I just drove it here, so oh, that is meaty. So this is it, obviously, with the valves open. guys can kind of see, the passenger side blows a lot more than the driver's side, so that's what's going to be sorted out. But yeah, the car looks mean with the wheels, the tints, how much lower it is. Oh, it looks so aggressive. Them floating center caps as well. I never get to see my car rolling. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the car in their hands. I'm gonna go fill out some paperwork, probably go get some breakfast, do a little bit of editing, and yeah, I'll be back in a few hours, and hopefully this thing sounds amazing and flames like a mother.
Starting from the top, I gotta make it clear. Collective grief is around, I feel it in the air. Another crazy year, this time I'm so aware that I'm taking all the time I need to execute the fear. The story's still unwritten, but the focus never changed. Connection intermittent, but I'm searching in the range, let him say. A D never spoke to me again, panoramic came around, still the picture stayed the same, so I was sticking to the mission.
Okay, so guys, the car is officially done. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got some new tips, just the tip, baby. The new tips are hench. I think they're maybe like 0.5 of an inch bigger. We'll wait for the car to come out now, but it's looking gorgeous. This is how it looks in the light. Woo-wee. So this is valves open now. Oh! Valves closed now. Oh, big difference. It's got that deep V8 rumble now. None of that rattling, none of that buzzing noise. And guys, the tips look amazing. They're a little bit larger than the old ones, similar style as well, and they stick out a lot more, but my goodness. Now this rear end looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, a big thank you to R-Tec for sorting this out. And I've probably been a pain to deal with, but the car sitting there now just looks so much more aggressive. Massive tips. I love how nice and chrome they are as well. So I'm gonna go get this build sorted, and then I'll show you guys how it sounds on the drive home. Okay guys, so I'm officially driving home now. Oh yeah, that buzzing sound's gone instantly. Like literally, as you pull away, you can hear it buzzing, and unfortunately it is a little bit late. It's like 5 o'clock or whatever time it is, but the car feels so much nicer at the moment. Before, I feel like because of how the back box was designed, I don't know, there was just too much like build up of back pressure, so it was a little bit more jerky. But guys, stay right there, because as soon as I get out of this traffic and we hit the motorway, I'm opening that valve so you guys can hear a little something something, because I'm excited. It's literally a whole new design, a whole new back box. It is literally designed completely straight through. It's symmetrical now, as it wasn't before. And like I said, one of my main concerns was the fact that when I was accelerating, you could kind of hear a buzzing sound coming from the valve. So literally, as I pulled away from R-Tec, I know it's gone straight away because it was just in between gear shifts. It was like zzz, bang, zzz, bang, zzz, bang, and now it's just smooth. Sounds kind of like a modified exhaust, but it still sounds stock. So this is it when it's closed. I'll give you a little pull. That is completely stock, mate. Completely stock. And I don't know if it's going to sound any louder or any different, it being louder. I'm sure the tone might have changed a bit, but now I'm going to have the valves open. But yeah, I'm stuck in a little bit of traffic at the moment, so if you guys give me a few more seconds and I'll be back. Oh. Alright, coming up to a little bit of a clearer road. Okay, the tone is definitely a little bit different. I want to say it's a bit bassier, but at the same time, I don't know. I want this van to get out of the way so I can just... Woo! Let's see what the downshifts are saying. Woo! I don't even know how to Oh, the camera moved. I don't even know how to describe the tone, but one thing I will say is made the drivability of my tune a lot different. It's smoother. My car is driving a lot smoother, I promise you. Before I had upshift, I used to have a little bit of a lurch. Obviously I've got a super Burbos tune, so that has a lot to do with it, but oh, it is different. I don't even know how to describe it. That's mental. But I'm really happy at the fact that the way the back box is now smoothed out, how this burble map runs and stuff like that. On the motorway, I'm going to be able to kind of hear and feel how it flames and things like that. But yeah, man, I'm actually, in this short period of time that I've driven the car, I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out so far. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's going to be... And I can just hear how much louder it sounds in my ear as I go past. Oh my god. Big boy flames. Woo! Yeah. Beautiful scenes. Amazing scenes. I'm in love. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. Share this video to your friends. I really appreciate that. Yeah, guys, again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, people.